Hi everybody, welcome to my surprise opening. I have 26 eggs and 4 of these surprise eggs. Okay, we'll get started. Let's see. The first egg. What? A battery? There's supposed to be toys in here. What's going on with this? Alright, let's see. Let's open another one then. Oatmeal. No stickers, no flyer, no nothing. What is going on? I paid too much money for this. There's another egg. There better be something in here. Oh, it's a snake skin. It is a real snake skin. This just, I'm about to get mad. There's another egg. A broken crayon. Is this supposed to be funny? Where's my toys? Attack? Oh my gosh. What in the name of pickles? Uncool. A tea bag. A tea bag. What am I supposed to do with a tea bag? Where's my Disney a penny? Really? A penny. Well, at least I got a little money back off this mess. This is crazy. I'm very disappointed. Where's my toys? A bottle cap. What am I supposed to do with a bottle cap? Oh my gosh, it's even leaking. A slice of a lemon. Maybe something good will be in here. The world's smallest light bulb. What am I going to put this in? Goodness. Ew. Shoo, it stinks. Dog food. Alright, now I'm mad. Oh. A mouse, a cat toy. I don't even have a cat. Really? Whoa. A nice rock. A shiny rock. How about that? Next egg. Puzzle pieces. It's not even a whole puzzle. What am I supposed to do with that? I paid $100 for this egg pack. This is ridiculous. Like, this egg is sticky. What is... French fries, 2 French fries, and they're hard as a rock. Oh, here's another one. Half of a dog biscuit. Oh, what is this? Finally, something good. I hope. Nice. An NBA championship ring. Grape flavored. With real fruit juice. Huh, interesting. One good gift. The snake skin's making me sick looking at it over here. Okay, we'll see. Maybe they'll get better here. Maybe not. A rubber band. Alright, what is this? I'm almost scared to touch anything. Oh, neat. Some Del Taco hot sauce. Really? Anybody want some ketchup? Ketchup. Really? I can get this all day long for free. And I pay $100 for this stuff. I don't think... I'm scared to touch this. A used tissue. A used tissue, people. This is the last egg before we get our surprise eggs. Oh no, what is this? It's dripping on me. Oh my gosh. It's an egg. An egg. Alright, let's start on the surprise eggs, get this over with. I was looking forward to these, but now I'm kind of scared to open them. Maybe I need some scissors. Okay. Please be something good. What is this? Oh my gosh. A toilet paper roll. An empty toilet paper roll. Our next surprise egg. Nice paper though. Oh gosh. I think I'm gonna vomit. Somebody's eating pizza crust. Only 2 more eggs to go. Ooh, it stinks. What in the name of pickles? An actual pickle. Phew! It stinks up in here. Alright, here's our last egg. Our last surprise egg. I can say I've been very disappointed up to this point. I don't think y'all want to know what that is. Well, you may as well know. Look. Some already chewed chewing gum. That is my last egg. I guess it's safe to say that I will never order surprise eggs again. Alright, bye.